Now we're going to do the next part of our project, which is to do the inking. And for this, you should have one of these permanent markers, and they have a nice point on the end. You don't want to press hard on this. It wrecks your marker and it doesn't make your picture any better. And then the other thing that you're going to need is a really good eraser, because after we're done inking our picture, you will want to erase your building lines. So the idea of this is that we're just going to outline the image, the parts of the image that are important, and then we'll fill in the color later. So I might have something that I want to be dark, like the sky, I want it to be dark, but I don't want to fill it all in with black from my permanent marker, because that kind of takes away from the picture. So if I'm going to make something dark, if I want it to be black, I'm going to outline it now, and then when I'm painting, I'll paint it black, I'll fill it in with black, but it'll still look like it's painted. It kind of is a style choice, and I like the idea of making it look that way, so it's not too overpowering with the black. But I'm just going to follow the lines that I've got here. I'm choosing the lines that I like the best. And sometimes I try to improve on other lines, you know. But I'm choosing the ones that I like the best to outline. And for that belt buckle, I decided I'm not going to keep that inner line there, because I just don't like it as well. So you can pick and choose the lines that you want to keep and the ones that you don't. Definitely move your paper around to wherever is most comfortable for you. I tend to do that as I'm working around. And you notice when I do this cape, I'm not drawing that whole line, I'm just doing the part that would show, right? I might choose to fill in the middle part of her eyes. I don't feel like that would be too overpowering. But I'm not going to do everything, because I think that would be too overpowering. And instead of making like a big curly Q for her hair, I'm making the outline of her hair. I don't know if that makes sense. Okay, so I think that's my whole superhero. And then I'll work on outlining the background. Inking the background. The background is important for your story as well. Maybe your superhero is, you know, swinging through buildings or flying across the sky and you can see skyscrapers. Or maybe, I don't know, they live with their grandma and you should draw your grandma's living room or something. I don't know. You get to decide what who your superhero is and where they would be pictured. That is up to you. Okay. Oh, I should finish this die. Okay. So after you have the whole thing outlined and you like how it looks, you'll take your eraser and erase all over your picture to get rid of those extra lines that you don't need. So that's taking away the pencil marks, but not the ink, right? And then, when you brush all that away, you have a nice, clean picture for when we paint. Okay? If you have any questions, let me know. Thank you.